Welcome back to TechMan. In today's video, let me show you how you can buy hosting from Hostinger. First, let's go to the Hostinger website. Then on this page, scroll down a little bit and you'll see their pricing plan over here. You can see 4 tiers of their plan. You can also check the features included per plan, compare and contrast with each plan. To buy one, just click the plan you want to purchase. In our case, I will choose this business plan over here. Click Choose Plan. Over here, you can choose the monthly plan you want. They have a month up until 48 months. So in my case, let's choose this 1 month for 479 pesos or $8. Then scroll down a little bit for step 2. So here, you can choose your payment method. They have a lot of integrations over here, or you can also connect your credit card. In my case, I will pay through PayMaya. It's a mobile money app here in the Philippines. So now let's click that one. After selecting one, head to the information and fill this out. Then on the bottom, you can see your total purchase. You can also add a coupon code if you have one right here. And once done, click on Submit Secure Payment. You will be taken to this page. This is just basically your order summary. You can also see Continue with PayMaya over here. Tap on that. You can easily scan the generated QR code on this page to pay. After that, you will see your receipt, and there you have it. If you want to buy this one, you can use the links below. I suggest you buy it now while it's on sale. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.